Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove your wallet from the Coin98 Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within your homepage. Now, if you wish to delete your account, then just tap on your username and you will now see the Manage Wallets button. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the wallet that you wish to delete. Once you tap on it, you will see various different options, including the Remove Wallet option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked to enter your PIN in order to confirm your decision. After you type in your PIN, you will need to enter the wallet name in order to confirm to remove this wallet as well. Just type in your wallet name and then tap on the Remove button and your wallet will be deleted from the application right away. Now, if you wish to permanently delete this wallet, you can also delete the seed key or your passphrase. And after doing this, you will not be able to access your wallet anymore, which is similar to having it deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your wallet on the Coin98 Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.